Now I've dealt with the opposition, this should be a doddle.
You boy! What happened to the rest of them?
Spontaneous contagious attack of nerves syndrome. Only one other incident ever recorded.
Plague, was it? You can blame indoor toilets for that.
This should come in handy.
Where did all the others go?
They decided the competition was too much for them.
Is number 4 here, then? Are you number 4? Hello? Hello? Well, what's with him?
It's just some loony old guy that wandered in off the street.
Oh, right. Looks like there's just you, then. Come on. This is the only entry, Your Majesty. Okay, young man. Let's see what you can do.
Right. Okay. Feast your eyeballs on this. Whoops. How about this one? Try this besides then. Hang on, hang on. I'll soon fix that. That's not right.
Is this some sort of joke?
No.